Hello everybody, how we doing? I hope we're doing well. I am back and I am doing, from the title you've seen, I am going to do a challenge video today. I am scared, not gonna lie, but I usually love watching a challenge videos. They're fun, they're fast, they're like really fun to watch. And I always watch beauty gurus doing their challenges, and you know what? I thought I can do it. Well, usually it takes me about 20 minutes to do my everyday makeup. If I'm going all out, it takes about half an hour to 40 minutes. So a 10-minute makeup challenge. Sorry, got distracted. 10-minute makeup challenge. It's gonna be interesting. I have all my makeup on my bed here and all my brushes. I am all ready to go. So, if you like it, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below. I don't know. You tell me. Alright? Right. So, let's get started. Right. Okay, so let's put a timer on if I can see. So, it's 10 minutes. Right. Exactly 10 minutes. And let's start. Okay, let's start with a primer. Quickly. Usually don't rush when I do my makeup. I usually a good blending and doing things like that. Right, okay. Right, got a message. Okay. Right. Maybelline Dream Radiant, blah blah blah. Let's close it. I don't wanna stains. Okay. Good old sponge. I'm very white today. It's very nice day out there today. I'm so happy. I went for a walk at 7 o'clock in the morning. Just enjoy the sunshine and quietness, and I was really happy. And you know what, I thought, why not to make a video? Should have bloody blended with my hand. That would have been faster and easier. That is very small amount of foundation. Okay, right, so let's get with a, what is it, concealer? Yeah, concealer. Dab. Nothing major. My concealer is running out. Oh, bloody hell. So I will do in 10-minute challenge. I don't even know if I am gonna get to eyes though. Oh, so what you guys been up to? Tell me, if you're watching this, what you been up to? How are you still coping with this nonsense? We should hear tomorrow about the COVID-19 update. Right, okay. Set. What's the time? Okay, to have 7 minutes left. Alright, that's not too bad. We're nearly done with the face. Oh, blimey. I started to use this Hourglass powder again. I love it. I do like that powder. I know I said don't waste your money. It's good. It's not a long stay, but it's lovely. It's lovely. Okay, let's have a little bronze or contour or whatever this is. Oh, blimey. Let's do something about it. Right. Okay, done. Highlight. It's always a highlight. There's always time for a highlight. Right, done. Okay, eyebrows. Let's do eyebrows. I am not doing eyebrows really much, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Just a little, quite couple sweeps, and it's so good. We can't miss all the steps. Okay, at some point they're right. I'm killing here. Okay, let's do what we doing. I lost something. Oh no. Let's do eyes. Shall we? Okay, always prime eyes. Doesn't matter how much time I have. Always do that. There'll be no liner or anything like that. Okay. Ooh. Right. Let's using Amrezy palette, my favorite one. Never can get old of it. Yeah, let's just do a crease moment here. Wow, that is a color. Okay. How much time we have? We have 3 minutes 44 seconds. Oh, blimey. Well, committed now to the shadow. I should have done a little bit different shadow, but I'm gonna go for a dark eyes, yeah? While blending is not going well, here too. Right, there's no time to blend. Okay, mascara. Okay. I mean, it's not as bad as I expected to be, but okay, mascara is done. Okay, for our lips, I'm not gonna do anything much, just a lip gloss. Okay, lip gloss is done. Right, how much I have time? I have 1 minute 36. Okay, I'm gonna blend that eyeshadow a little bit more. Okay, shall we set? Let's set. What's the time? 57 seconds. Okay, okay, okay. Do you know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of a glitter onto my eyelid. Yes. Okay. And blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. And a little bit of inner corner. And everything went into straight onto my face. Alright. And we're done. Yes, we're done. Yes, okay, so 10-minute challenge. I mean, hello. I don't look bad. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. Don't get me wrong. I mean, you can do it in 10 minutes. Yeah, well, needs a little bit more blending, a little bit more other things. But in 10 minutes, you can do an actual kind of natural looking look. Natural looking, never mind. Right, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you like it, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below what's your favorite challenge, what other challenges do you like to see, and I might do it. I have another one in mind to do, and it's gonna be interesting because it's gonna be interesting. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.